Greetings, I'm Eugene Smith. I own the EBS Gallery in Old Town Winchester. Early in life, I fell in love not necessarily with art itself, I fell in love with the creative process. I think what's helped my business through the years is the diversity of style and what brings a lot of people in, especially from the DC metropolitan area. I have a diverse grouping of work. I do a lot of the Asian, the abstracts, traditional. People come from all around to visit Winchester area and to soak up the history. Historically, it's top of the line, and we've preserved that unity for this little small town called Winchester. So if you're in the area, I'd really appreciate you stopping by the gallery. We have a great collection of wonderful restaurants in Winchester and a lot of other small shops other than mine.